guys, this is Helpful Gamer Guy bringing you another tutorial, just on Windows this time, not using Photoshop or Cinema 4D. This is just a tutorial on how to speed up your computer. It's top 5 tips that I've got. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Asian Labs. He's a friend of mine whose channel recently got hacked, so he set up a new one. Please check him out. I'll put a link in the description to him. And he does very good tutorials on Photoshop and other computer programs. But if we just get straight into this tutorial. First thing you want to do to speed up your computer is to delete your temporary files. These clog up your system, they build up over time, they can really take up a lot of memory. So to do this, you just click on the start, type in %temp%, and then it will show you the temporary file. Just click on that. Select them all by clicking on one, holding shift, going to the bottom, clicking on the last one, hitting delete. And once you delete those, okay, skip them if you are using them. But there we go. We've deleted something like 89 files, and that will really speed up your computer very well. Next thing we can do is update your drivers. These are very important if you want to keep a fast computer, because if you're running old software, it's going to slow down your system, slow down the driver. So to update drivers, you go to Computer, hit your computer, right click it, and go to Manage, and then go to Device Manager, and this will bring up all your drivers. If I go to my display adapters, I can see my my graphics driver. You then go to driver and hit update driver, and it will download the latest driver software for that, and that will really help speed up the performance of that particular driver. Another thing we can do is when you start up Windows, sometimes you get programs that automatically start. This takes up a lot of processing power, so it's having to start those while trying to boot up Windows at the same time. One of these programs is Skype. To disable this, we just open up Skype, go to Tools, go to Options, and then untick Start Skype when I start Windows, and then just click Save, and that will mean that Skype is not started every time you restart your Windows. Another thing we can do is delete all your downloaded files, or little downloads that you don't really use anymore. So I've got a load of like text packs in here that I use for. I've got fonts even that I use for Photoshop. So we can delete up to there. See, just delete those. 10 megabytes freed up already. Delete that. Just delete little things that you really don't need. I can delete these two. That's a megabyte. Even though it's a little megabyte, it still makes a lot of difference. Another thing we can do is delete your internet history. All of this takes up a lot of space. So if you can delete that, you just go to Settings, Tools, Clear Browsing Data, and this gives you all options to delete it. It's pretty similar in Internet Explorer, but I'm pretty sure most people use Google Chrome, so you just go to Tools on this setting here, as I've said, and tick all the ones you want to delete. Then you just hit Clear Browsing Data, but be sure to select the beginning of time, and then select that, and that will delete all your browsing history, and that will free up a lot of space. Another thing we can do is something that's built into Windows. It's called defrag. This defrags your hard drive, and this gets rid of all the rubbish files that you don't need. So just type in defrag, if you can spell it, defrag, and hit defrag, and that will start defragging all your system. Or you can do disk defragmenter, and then you choose whichever disk you want. So if you choose this one and then hit defragment disk, it will delete all your files. I've already done it, so I don't need to do it now. And I think that's my top 5 tips done. I might have actually done 6, I'm not sure, but that was my top 5 tips, guys. I hope this has helped you, and if it has, please give the video a like. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to speed up your internet soon, so please subscribe so you can watch out for that. Thanks again, guys.